This video will show you how designers make home feel custom and elevated without, rebuilding the entire house. Today we are focusing on this client's staircase, the upstairs hallway, and most importantly, the powder room where every visitor will have the pleasure to enjoy. You are also going to see how we used paneling details to create hidden door and layer the light to completely change the feeling of the space and make it look more intentional and finished. One thing about this project that I'll be honest with is that this project honestly had some challenges behind the scenes. So I had to switch contractors here and there during the process. You see, things always don't go perfectly. But my job is to protect my clients and make sure the work is done correctly, properly with excellence. Even if it means to make the difficult decisions along the way, I will. Hi everyone, I'm Getty Elios, Creative Director and CEO of Getty Elios Luxury Interior Concept LLC, your favorite Nelson luxury interior designer. I'm a mom of 2 little humans and wife to a wonderful husband. On this channel, I share pieces of my journey to motherhood alongside interior design, home decor, home styling, and full of clients before and after transformations. My heart is to show you that you can create a beautiful aesthetic home with kids. If you are new here, you are so welcome. And I would like you to hit the subscribe button to join our small but beautiful community on here. So quick recap, we've already completed this client's living room where we turned chimney into stunning media wall. You can also see the before and after of the kitchen and the dining area. And like I said, we are moving upstairs to finish the staircase details, refine the hallway, and remodel the powder room. For me, as a luxurious interior designer, powder room plays a very important role in a home. See, is the one space that every guest will eventually use. And if you don't know, it quietly represents the whole house. So it should never feel like an afterthought. It needs to feel very intentional. One thing about this upstairs area, it was very dark and the popcorn ceilings were very heavy and outdated. The whole space just felt off and closed in. So this is what we did. Instead of tearing down everything, my team and I approached it differently. There are always smart ways to update a home without destroying the structure. And that's what we focused on. We treated the popcorn ceilings in a cleaner way, brightened the space, and started giving it a fresh identity. If you really paid attention throughout this client project, you will notice we didn't just demolish everything to start over. Most of the time, good design is about working with what already exists and improving its creativity. So there are certain things I really want you guys to really pay attention to so that you can really appreciate the job that we did here. This light fixture here will also be replaced to a better match the new look we are creating. And if you look closely to those cabinets, we are not removing them. We are keeping the same cabinet, but we'll definitely create some magic around it for it to look brand new. And guys, just take a look at this accent wall and tell me what you think in the comment section. Does it feel like just a wall, or do you think there is something more hidden in it? See, I promise the final reveal will make sense and you see why it is not just an ordinary accent wall. You are going to love the creativity behind this. One interesting thing I keep noticing is that almost all my clients are choosing black, gold, and cream lately. I honestly think that my home interior inspires them. I am so happy about that. I'm not bothered and I am proud of it. Our client brings the vision and we add our design expertise and professional finish to turn it into a luxury transformation. So as you can see, the work is still going on, and you're going to see the magic we're going to put on this wall. I just cannot wait to show you all. So you can see in this area, we are really going to do a lot in this space. I mean, it may look simple right now, but it's about to change completely, trust me. As you can see, we already created the spot in the ceiling for the stunning chandelier. And that chandelier will brighten up the room and make it feel more elegant and welcoming. So just trust the brand. We are just going to give it a very nice window treatment to soften the space and make it feel more warm and finished. Overall, everything is just coming together so nicely and I'm just happy about everything. And this was where I was explaining everything to my team for them to know exactly the accent design I created. This wall right there will become the accent wall. And one thing is that my client wanted something bold, real statement piece. And of course, our job is to translate her vision into something more beautiful and well balanced within the space. So stay tuned and watch the magic happens. At the Getty Elios Luxury Interior Concept LLC, luxury details are our love language. So now you can finally see the vision coming to life, right? And most of the paneling and lighting are done. And the new black railings completely changed the mood for this space, guys. Somehow the room feels brighter, cleaner, open, and a lot more modern compared to the before. The accent wall is next, and this one my client wanted like more bolder. So yeah, we are really going to do a thing here. Just check how smooth the ceilings are. We also removed every single popcorn ceilings. So the ceilings are now smooth, fresh, which instantly makes the home feel. Little by little, this home renovation is turning into a dream interior design we imagined. I honestly cannot wait to show the full reveal and share this modern home makeover with you all. Here is a small sneak peek of the powder room so far, guys. We are not finished yet. I mean, there are still a few design details coming up. See, it may be a small space, but the difference is already huge. We added more lighting because lighting really changes everything. And we also focused on layering the lighting right in our interior design projects. So over here, we have a beautiful niche and we are going to add smart toilet, beautiful blinds, and some wall sconces. It's a small powder room, but now it feels more brighter and more open. We are also installing a chandelier in this powder room. Yes, a chandelier. That detail alone will elevate the whole look and give this powder room design a real luxury feeling. It's just gonna be stunning. Stay tuned for the final reveal. You will see how the stairs came up, the wall panelings, the bold accent walls, and the bathroom designs all came together in this home full renovation. I know you are going to love it. Kindly smash the like button and also don't forget to subscribe for more home videos like this and more. I love you, but God loves you more. See you on the other side.